पर्यटन मोसमाक सुरवात जावपाची आसून गोय सरकारान पर्यटकाच्या सुरक्षे खातीर तांच्या आयुष्याची हमी दिवची तशेंच जे पर्यटकांक गोंयांत मरण आयला तांचे केशीची खोलायेन चवकशी करपाचे आदेश दिवचे अशी मागणी गोय काँग्रेसीचे म्हणयारे अविनाश तवारीस हांणी केल्या। RDS गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Now that the tourist season is going to start, the government should come out as to what security measures have they taken. They should tell the people what are the security measures have they taken to protect foreign tourists in light of all these murders that are taken place. Even Old Goa comes under the Penjing, no, separate. So
police station.
Yeah,
Separate.
Penjing constituency.
No.
So this the government should have come out in the last 4 years with a very clear policy on tourist police, which they have not. Our demand, of course, is that this is the demand that was placed by this was a need of the hour which the government should have done. If the government doesn't do it, our government is surely going to implement this. Number one is to ensure 100% safety for all foreign tourists coming to Goa and foreign expats living in Goa. Number two is all the cases that are pending with regards to deaths of foreign tourists should be given to the CBI for investigation, because our police has a very poor track record of investigating such cases. They have to set up a fast track court exclusively for foreign nationals coming to Goa. And they have to create a foreigners/tourist only cell in all the police stations that come under the tourism areas, which offer multilingual interpreters, legal services, investigation services, and other office support services. Because this is another issue that is faced by the language issue. All these issues have all these solutions should have been brought by the government. I myself, we were dealing with a Russian case in Kepe police station, and I've seen the way the police there handle foreigners who live in those areas. It's abysmal. Here, whatever happens, it is again a very poor track record. People are going back. Tourism is declining primarily because of all these vices that are there in Goa and all these crimes that are committed against the tourism, against the tourists that come to Goa.